This Yechen 63-inch rattan sideboard set offers two matching cabinets that immediately give a room a cohesive designer look. The blend of natural rattan fronts with wood grain panels and slim black metal legs creates a relaxed, modern style that works just as well in a bohemian living room as in a clean, minimalist dining space. Each cabinet provides a generous top surface plus enclosed shelving, so you can hide away dishes, linens, or electronics while still having space to display art, plants, or a coffee setup. The structure combines engineered wood, woven rattan, and metal hardware in a way that feels solid under everyday use, with doors that close cleanly and do not wobble when you move items around inside. Assembly is straightforward thanks to clearly labeled parts and readable instructions, so even someone with limited furniture building experience can get both pieces together in a reasonable amount of time. Once in place, the pair functions as flexible storage that can shift from buffet to media console to entryway credenza, making it a smart choice if you like to rearrange or live in a smaller home where every piece has to work hard.